In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about questionnaires. Questionnaires can be found under My Settings, Settings, and under Documents. You can find the questionnaires under the Questionnaire tab. As you can see, all my questionnaires are listed below. You can duplicate a questionnaire, you can send a questionnaire to a client, or you can edit the questionnaire from this section. To add a new questionnaire, you can simply click New Questionnaire, name that questionnaire, and start dragging and dropping the fields from the left-hand side into the body of the questionnaire. For text field, you can put in first name and you can map that to first name. You can also map last name, spouse's name, child's name, referred by, Instagram handle, and Facebook. When you map the name back to the client's profile, it will automatically fill out that information for you. You can also do the same thing with the phone number, email address, and date and address. When you map that phone number, you have the option of having a primary phone number or a secondary phone number. Some other options that you have are a comment field, check boxes, multiple checks, radio button, and a drop-down list. Once you have completed that, you can go ahead and hit save, and then that questionnaire is ready to send to your client.